This is like our tropical quarantine and slay, okay? If we had a pina colada right now, we'd be sitting on the beach. This is the vibes that we're getting with this look, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I recorded this quarantine and slay. This is actually, I think, the third part of my series for basically staying at home and getting pretty while you stay at home. So this is like green, and I did like tropical vibes. This is what this look is giving me. The green is from Mayo Makeup, and I actually never used it before. It was the first time I've ever used those pigments. They are super pigmented. In the video, you're actually going to see me struggling to get this to work the way it looks like, to get it to work. Yeah, so anyway, I used the Mayo Makeup, and this hair is different, right? This hair is actually from, it's actually an old wig that I revamped, and I will post a video of when I had it before. Basically, I revamped this wig, and now it looks like this, and it is, listen, okay? If you go to summersbeautyworld.com, and go on to wig revitalization, I take an old wig that you've already had. I tightened up my tracks because this is actually like a quick weave. I actually sewed in some tracks this time. I cut it in like a bob cut, and it's like bob and bangs, and I love it. Like, I just revamped this wig real quick, and this looks amazing. So the next time, you know, that the world opens up and we're actually able to go outside, I will wear this to go on vacation. Like, this whole look, this color, the combination of the green, like tropical vibes. I feel like this is like our tropical quarantine and slay, okay? If we had a pina colada right now, we'd be sitting on the beach. This is the vibes that we're getting with this look, okay? So hopefully you guys like this look. I really did enjoy creating it. Again, like I said, at the beginning of this look, I was struggling, y'all. Like, it was a for real struggle because it was not coming out the way I wanted it to. But thank God that it did. We pushed through. And initially I was like, you know what? I don't like this look. I'm just going to kind of give up. This is going to be like, I'm going to scrap this. But I'm glad I didn't, because it came out so much better than I expected. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And oh, I almost forgot. Before we continue, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will wait for you to do that. So let's just wait. Okay, so if you hear somebody screaming in the background, it's my child. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this makeup look. I had so much fun filming this one, and I'm really feeling myself with this. I'm really feeling myself with these vibes, like these tropical vibes. Okay, did you see that? The bang bob, okay? Guys, go on the site if you want one like this. Go on the site if you want one like this. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys. Oh, almost forgot. If you see these in the video, ignore them. Ignore them, guys. I didn't get my nails done yet. You know how it is right now. Nobody can go anywhere, okay? So I'm doing my nails myself. But don't judge me when you see me. I tried to pick them off. It wasn't working. Just know they don't look that great, okay? That's all I wanted to say. Thanks, guys, so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off like I always do with my eyes, and I'm using my Makeup Revolution Infinite Longwear Concealer. This is the concealer that I've been using lately just to prime my eyes. So this is what I'm starting to look off with. Now in my crease, I'm just using my Mayo Makeup pigments for this look, pretty much the entire thing. And this is the blue pigment. I'm not sure exactly which, it's like a royal blue, I want to say. They don't have names on the pigments, so I'm just using this royal blue pigment. As you can see, it's picking up the color really well on camera. These pigments are super pigmented, but it does take a while to actually learn how to use them. Now I'm using that lime green pigment from my makeup. Again, they are super pigmented. This is without me using the mixer at this point. What was happening is basically I would put the pigment on my lid, and as I put it on or placed it on, it would actually come off. So this method took me a minute to actually get used to. I wasn't used to the pigment coming off. So you're gonna see me pretty much thinking that this was gonna be a fail because I could not get that pigment to stick. So now you just see me using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Fix in Deep Tan. I'm only placing this in the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going to take the Iconic palette and I'm going to use only one of the colors in there, and it is one of the lighter colors. The color I use for this particular look is Marshmallow. So I used this in my last look I think too, but that's the color I'm using on my eye. I wanted the lightest color, but I didn't want it to be too light. So now you just see me trying to blend out the colors. I'm blending out my crease and I'm blending out my outer corner. Here I'm patting on the green color, trying to get more color payoff. And then I figured out that I'm just going to go in by my Juvia's Place palette and I use one of the lime green colors from there to try to fill it in. So many different methods in this just to get that color to actually blend and to look as good as it does in the end. But it was worth it because eventually I actually figured it out and it paid off. So as always, I did my liner off camera, I did my lashes off camera, and now I'm just cleaning up everything. And as you can see, that all those failed attempts actually worked out because it's starting to blend and it looks really good. Okay, so now you guys just see me using my foundation. This is the MAC NW45 foundation. I'm placing this all over my face and blending it out. And for my concealer, I'm just using my Maybelline in 45 and the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the color C12. Again, that second concealer is just to brighten up my under eye. And now I'm just taking my beauty blender and I am blending everything out and making sure that everything looks seamless. Again, when you're blending out these concealers, you want to take your time because you want to make sure that everything looks seamless. And I will also put on my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color medium deep to set my concealer. And now I'm just going to go in and set my face with the Beauty Bakerie Flower in Deep. And then I'm going in with my Maybelline Concealer Superstay in Deep Cocoa and just doing my contour. Again, not too much. And I will set that with Mocha Mami when that is all done. Now here you just see me plucking a few eyebrow hairs. I actually raised my eyebrows because they were looking rough right before this. I tried to record it and then of course my camera died and the footage gets lost. And now I'm going back in with that blue from my makeup and just blending everything out so it looks more seamless. And moving on to my lips, I am using my Cork lip liner from MAC. I'm using Maybelline, this is my Maybelline lipstick. I'll put it down below with the link. And then to set everything, I'm using an Iconic lip gloss. And it's like a lip plumping gloss, and that is how I did everything. Highlight, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and this is the color, I think, Bronzed. Setting my face with my Morphe Cosmetic Spray, and bam, fixing my hair. I'm gonna actually fix my hair a little bit more, and I just saw me put my wig back. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm combing everything out and looking at myself and saying, okay, I look pretty nice. And now, thumbnail pick time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.